Best AI tools to make passive income in 2023. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized various industries, including finance, marketing, healthcare, and more. In recent years, AI tools have emerged as powerful solutions to create passive income streams. These tools leverage machine learning algorithms and automation to perform tasks, analyze data, and make informed decisions without constant human intervention. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Chatbots and virtual assistants have become integral parts of customer support and engagement strategies for businesses worldwide. These AI tools utilize natural language processing (NLP) algorithms to understand and respond to customer queries in real time, simulating human conversation. The benefits of using chatbots and virtual assistants are manifold. Firstly, they provide round-the-clock assistance, ensuring that customers receive prompt responses to their inquiries. This availability enhances customer satisfaction and helps businesses maintain a competitive edge in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Moreover, chatbots and virtual assistants can handle a wide range of tasks, such as providing product information, offering recommendations, processing transactions, and addressing frequently asked questions. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors have gained significant traction in the financial industry, democratizing investment management for individuals and businesses alike. These AI-powered tools leverage algorithms to analyze investor profiles, risk tolerance, and financial goals to offer personalized investment advice. One of the primary advantages of robo-advisors is their accessibility. Traditional investment management services often require substantial financial capital, making them inaccessible to many. Robo-advisors, on the other hand, often have lower or no minimum investment requirements, allowing individuals with varying budgets to invest and potentially generate passive income. Furthermore, robo-advisors offer portfolio diversification based on modern portfolio theory, spreading investments across different asset classes and sectors. By mitigating risk through diversification, robo-advisors aim to achieve optimal returns for their clients over the long term. Content generators. Content generation is a vital aspect of marketing, brand building, and online presence. AI-powered content generators employ natural language processing (NLP) algorithms and deep learning techniques to automate the creation of articles, blog posts, social media content, and more. These tools analyze vast amounts of data, including existing content, and use machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality, engaging content that resonates with target audiences. By automating content creation, businesses can save time and resources, while consistently delivering fresh and valuable content to their audience. AI-powered content generators can create content in various styles and tones, catering to different niches and target markets. This versatility allows businesses to maintain a consistent brand voice across multiple channels and reach a broader audience. Furthermore, content generators can assist in optimizing search engine rankings. By incorporating relevant keywords and following SEO best practices, these tools can help businesses improve their visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs, and attract organic traffic to their websites or platforms. Increased website traffic can lead to higher monetization opportunities, such as ad revenue or affiliate marketing. However, it is important to note that while AI-generated content can be highly efficient, it may lack the human touch and creativity that comes from personal experiences and insights. Automated trading systems. Automated trading systems, often referred to as algorithmic trading or black box trading, leverage AI algorithms to execute trades in financial markets. These systems analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades based on predefined strategies. The primary goal of automated trading systems is to generate consistent profits by capitalizing on market inefficiencies and short-term price movements. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data and execute trades with remarkable speed and accuracy, potentially identifying profitable opportunities that might be missed by human traders. One key advantage of automated trading systems is their ability to remove human emotions and biases from trading decisions. Data analytics and predictive modeling. Data analytics and predictive modeling play a crucial role in extracting valuable insights from vast amounts of data. AI-powered tools in this domain employ machine learning algorithms to uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that might not be apparent to human analysts. By leveraging AI algorithms, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of customer behavior, market trends, and operational inefficiencies. For example, customer data analysis can reveal patterns in purchasing behavior, allowing businesses to personalize marketing campaigns and improve customer retention strategies. Market trend analysis can help identify emerging opportunities or potential risks, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions. Predictive modeling, a subset of data analytics, utilizes historical data and machine learning algorithms to forecast future outcomes. Voice assistants and smart home devices. The proliferation of voice assistants, such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri, along with smart home devices, presents opportunities for passive income generation through skill development and integration with existing products or services. Voice assistants provide hands-free, voice-controlled interactions that enable users to perform a wide range of tasks, from setting reminders and playing music to controlling smart home devices and making online purchases. By developing voice-enabled applications or skills, businesses can offer valuable services that enhance user experiences and provide passive income streams. For example, businesses can create skills that provide personalized recommendations based on user preferences or offer voice-controlled home automation features. AI-enabled e-commerce tools. E-commerce businesses can leverage AI tools to enhance the shopping experience, increase conversions, and generate passive income. AI-powered e-commerce tools utilize machine learning algorithms to personalize product recommendations, optimize pricing strategies, and improve customer support. Personalized product recommendations based on user preferences, browsing history, and purchase behavior can significantly improve customer engagement and increase sales. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to understand customer preferences and patterns, enabling businesses to offer relevant and targeted product suggestions. Pricing optimization is another area where AI can make a substantial impact. Dynamic pricing algorithms can analyze market trends, competitor prices, and customer demand to adjust prices in real time. This allows businesses to maximize revenue by offering competitive prices while maintaining profitability. Additionally, AI-powered customer support tools, such as chatbots or virtual assistants, can provide instant assistance to customers, addressing their queries and concerns promptly. In the fast-evolving landscape of AI, there is a plethora of tools available to generate passive income in 2023. Chatbots and virtual assistants improve customer support and engagement, while robo-advisors automate investment management. Content generators streamline content creation, while automated trading systems aim to capitalize on market opportunities. Data analytics and predictive modeling provide valuable insights, and voice assistants and smart home devices open up new revenue streams. Lastly, AI-enabled e-commerce tools enhance the shopping experience and drive sales. As with any investment or business venture, it is essential to thoroughly research and evaluate the suitability of each AI tool for your specific needs. Understanding their capabilities, limitations, and potential risks will help you make informed decisions and maximize the benefits of these tools in generating passive income in 2023 and beyond.